Hi folks, welcome to my YouTube channel. We got a beautiful classic cars today. Awesome day in California. Everything you see is classic. Beautiful bike. Awesome stuff here. Everything you see, folks, really awesome stuff. All right, folks, look at this car. Is this awesome or what? I'm telling you guys, this is awesome car show today. Beautiful stuff. Hey folks, how you doing today? Hey, I have a YouTube channel. It's called My California YouTube. So it would take me almost 7 hours to get here. Okay, I heard about this. So if you guys want to say anything, this is the club. This is the group. Awesome. How you doing, sir? If you could say something, please.
We are the Lifetime Memory Car Club. Enjoying
Lifetime.
the day
Awesome.
here with the Cheech.
Awesome. Yeah, here, let me get your shirt. Okay, Lifetime, Ontario, California.
There's also San Bernardino, Yucaipa.
Awesome. Awesome. We got a whole group. Awesome cars.
Thank you.
Take me a long time to get here. With traffic, with gas price, but it's worth it.
I'm glad you made it.
All right, sir. And your name is?
My name is Larry.
Larry. All right, sir. Nice to meet you.
Same here.
And my YouTube channel is called My California YouTube.
My California YouTube. That's
Yes,
a good one.
My California YouTube. All right, folks. Have a good day.
We'll be typing into it.
Yes, sir. All right, folks. I see. Oh, yeah. All right. Look at this truck. Is that beautiful or what? Awesome looking cars. All right, boss. Look at this show. Look at this, guys. Look at guys. Excuse me, sorry. Awesome cars. All right, folks, classic Chevys.